Create Jira issue from Google Sheets automatically. So assume that your support team is adding a lot of issues in this Google Sheets, and now you want to create the same issue in Jira software as well. So you have two choices. Either you can manually copy every single issue from the sheet and create the same issue here again and again, or you can build an integration in Google Sheets and Jira software application so that whenever a new issue is added here, the same issue will be created automatically in Jira software. Want to learn how you can also automate this? Come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the spreadsheet where me and my team is maintaining all the issue details, and now I want to add all the issues in Jira software as well. To do that, firstly I will have to integrate Google Sheets with the Jira with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. So I have directly pasted the name as create Jira issue from Google Sheets automatically. Now it is asking to select the folder, so I am selecting this main workflow folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. So in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever you and your team members are adding any issue details in this Google Sheets application, then automatically pick the issue details and create the same issue in Jira software application. Okay, so I am selecting both the application in the trigger and the action window, and now the idea here is I am going to connect these two one by one with the Pabbly Connect. So let us connect to Google Sheets with the Pabbly Connect, because firstly I am going to capture this issue detail in Pabbly Connect, and further I am going to send the same issue details in Jira software, and in this way I am going to automate this whole process. Okay, so firstly select the trigger event, that is new or updated spreadsheet row. Read the instruction also. Triggers when a new spreadsheet row is added or updated. So yes, I want to perform the same, so I have selected the same. Now copying this webhook URL, and make sure you also read these instructions carefully. Basically with the help of this URL only we are going to connect our spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect, and instructions for the same are already given. Okay, so after copying this webhook URL, go to your spreadsheet, then go to extension, then click on add-ons, click on get add-ons, and here you will have to search for the Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on. Okay, give me a second. Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on. Okay, you will notice that the same add-on is already installed in my account. Okay, so you will have to firstly install this add-on, because after installing this you'll have to click on extension once again, and you will find the same add-on after installing it here. Okay, so click on this initial setup, and here exactly we will be pasting the same webhook URL which we have got via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. I have copied the URL. Let me paste the same, asking for the trigger column. So first read the instructions. The trigger column will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Okay, so basically it is asking to specify a column name on filling of which this automation should trigger, or we can say the data should be sent to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so in this particular spreadsheet, whenever someone will add a new issue, of course that data will goes up to D column. Okay, so that is why the trigger column here will be D. Okay, so how about I click on this button send test, and you will notice that the webhook response will be received, for which it is already waiting. Okay, so give me a second, let me do the same. Okay, fingers crossed, and here you can notice the test data sent successfully, and it is showing that the first row data has sent successfully. Here you can notice this MS Excel integration update. We have to update our integration, and we also have the date as well as the priority. Okay, firstly clicking on submit and close, and here you can see the same details, that is MS Excel integration update. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice the same data has been received as a response. Let me even show you the details one by one. Here we have the same trigger column, the same spreadsheet name, we also have the spreadsheet ID, we have the sheet name also, and we also have the priority, row index, issue summary, that is MS Excel integration update. We have to update our integration of Pabbly Connect with MS Excel and this due date. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time someone will add a new issue here, the same issue details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, but to do that you will have to enable one more very important setting. Click on extension and enable this send on event. As soon as you click here, you will find a tick mark will be added. That means this option is enabled, and now this will ensure that every time someone is adding a new data here, the data will be sent to Pabbly Connect automatically. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. And now let me tell you one more very important thing. Whenever you are connecting your Google Sheets with the Pabbly Connect, make sure multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in the same tab, or you should work into the incognito window. I'm repeating this thing once again, either work in the incognito window or multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in the same tab. And now moving to the next step, that is connecting Jira with the Pabbly Connect. So selecting the action event, that is create issue, create a new issue in the project. So yes, I want to perform the same, clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, clicking on this connect with the Jira software, and then it will ask you the access of your Jira account. But because I am already logged in my Jira account, so it has detected the same connection, so I am directly clicking on this accept button, and in this way the authorization will be successful and my Jira account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. So here you can notice it is connected, and because we are connected, whatever the projects are already available in my Jira software have started visible here. So currently it is showing two projects, that is this Connect app and this demo service project. Let me take you to the dashboard of my Jira software, and yes, we do have the same project, that is Connect app and this demo service project. Okay, so how about I selected this demo service project only. Further it is asking for lot of details like this parent key, issue type, summary, description, and lot of other details. Okay, so I'm going to provide the data only into the required or into the important fields, because my objective is just to show you how this automation can be created or how you can import the data from Google Sheets to Jira software. Okay, so in your case you can fill the information as per your requirement. Okay, so currently I have added the basic information, that is the issue summary, issue description, due date, and only the priority in spreadsheet. So I have this data only, so I am going to provide the data in those fields only. Asking for the parent key in case when the issue is of sub task type, so no, it is not a sub task, so I will leave it blank. Asking for the issue type, so it is actually a type of task, so I have selected the same. Asking for the summary, which is already present in this spreadsheet, so from where I am going to provide it. Remember, I have already captured the spreadsheet data as a response of my trigger step. Okay, and the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy these details and paste below again and again. I am going to map this data so that this data will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Okay, yes, mapping will do the same, and it is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data, the same data here in the drop down. Simply select that data, and in this way you will be able to map the details. Okay, so in the same way I'm going to map the data in other fields also, and again telling you the importance of mapping, that the details you will map here will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. But if you will specify any detail manually, that detail will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the the values via manually and via mapping, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, asking for the priority. Okay, so let me first enable this mapping button so that I can show you highest has the value of 1 as the priority. Okay, again disabling it. How about I selected this lowest and again enabling this option, and you will notice that 5 has the value as lowest. So based on this only I have added the priority label. Okay, so 1 means highest, second means medium, third is low. Okay, so in this way I have added the details. Okay, so how about I set the priority, I map the priority from the drop down only. So here we have the priority column, asking for the label, assign ID. Well, I have not added any such data in my spreadsheet, so again I am going to leave it blank. What you can do is you can add as many as columns as you want in your spreadsheet, and further you can provide the data here. Okay, give me a second. Alright, now it is asking for the assignee ID. Okay, so if you want to assign the issues to a same person every time, you can select it from this drop down. Okay, so how about I keep the same, asking for the due date. So let me map this last detail. Alright, so here we have the due date as this, that is 21st of November 2023. Okay, so I think I have provided all the important data. How about I click on this button, save and send test request, and firstly I'll wait for the response, and if that response is positive, that means my automation is working absolutely fine and the issue has been created automatically in this Jira software directly from Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here you can notice we have this demo service project. So here you can notice we have this demo service project. I will scroll down directly and will check whether the recent issue has been created or not. Okay, so here you can notice the summary is same, that is MS Excel integration update. Let me open the same and check for the description of this issue also. We have to update the integration of Pabbly Connect with MS Excel, and here we also have the due date as same. Here we also have the assignee and the priority as high. So did you notice how the issue has been created automatically and directly from Google Sheets, and that is possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. Yes, you just need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.